Look, we got some pine trees in this park. Now it's covered with snow, but in the summer there's a lot of shade in here. Look. It's small but nice. This is Buffalo Avenue and Eastern Parkway. Eastern Parkway is on the other side of that, the hill. The steps coming up on the right will lead you out to Eastern Parkway. This is 2 days after the snowstorm. See, we have some pine trees in here. Some pine trees, some kids playing in the snow. Pine trees have here. There's a staircase that leads you out to the parkway, Eastern Parkway. It's sleds, look. Beautiful park. And it's really near my house. Really near my house. It's like a square. There's some picnic tables on the top over there where the kids are. Behind them is like this tables, and I think you could do barbecue. Whoa, wow, that was great, man. He went down fast. Look at this guy. More guys. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. Let's see, on the top of there. I don't think I could do it. I don't think I'm brave enough to do it. Here comes another guy. The landing. Let's see. Whoop.